Did your house go on the market and not sell in this current market that we are in right now? I have 3 do's and 3 don'ts for you to solve that problem. Don't relist your home with the same realtor that didn't get it sold the first time. Don't relist your home with a part-time realtor. Don't follow the same selling strategy that you were previously using. Do ask the next realtor a series of important questions on how successful they have been with selling homes that have been previously on the market. Do interview more than one realtor, and do be willing to make adjustments in price and terms in order to accommodate the buyers in this current market. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.